Hello, English learners. Get ready for an exciting 10-minute English shadowing practice. If you're here, that means you are taking charge of your own English learning step by step, at your own pace. No classrooms, no pressure, no exams. Just you, your dedication, and your voice. Today, we're going on a little adventure together, traveling to a new city for the very first time. This practice is perfect for beginners at A1 and A2 levels. But even if your English is intermediate or advanced, stay with us, you'll still benefit. We'll start with slow, clear, easy sentences so you can follow along comfortably. Then, bit by bit, we'll move to longer, more natural sentences just like real English conversations. Listen closely. Repeat after me. Speak out loud. Don't just hear the words, let them come alive through your voice. That's how real improvement happens. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, smile, and let's dive in. Today is a special day. I am going to travel to a new city. I wake up very early in the morning. It is still dark outside. My alarm rings at 5:30 a.m. I open my eyes slowly. For a moment I feel sleepy. Then I remember. Today is my travel day. I feel excited. Excited means very happy and full of energy. I sit up in my bed. I stretch my arms and legs. I get out of bed quickly. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up. I brush my teeth. I look at myself in the mirror. Today is going to be a good day. I go back to my bedroom. My suitcase is on the floor. It is already half packed. Packed means putting clothes and things inside a bag for travel. I check my clothes again. 2 shirts, 1 jacket, comfortable pants, socks, underwear. Everything looks good. Now I need to pack my toiletries. Toiletries are small personal items like a toothbrush, toothpaste, and shampoo. I put my toothbrush in a small bag. I add toothpaste and a comb. I close the suitcase. I try to lift it. Oh, it's a little heavy, but that's okay. I check my phone. I check my ticket. I check my passport. Passport is the official document you need to travel to another country. Everything is ready. I go to the kitchen. I make a quick breakfast. Just toast and coffee. I don't want to be late. I eat quickly. I wash my plate. I look at the clock. It is 6:15 a.m. My taxi will arrive at 6:30 a.m. Suddenly, I feel a little nervous. Nervous means a little worried or anxious. Traveling to a new city is exciting, but it is also unknown. Unknown means not familiar. I take a deep breath. It will be fine. At 6:28 a.m., I hear a car outside. I look through the window. The taxi is here. I put on my shoes. I grab my suitcase. I lock the door. I walk outside. The morning air is cool and fresh. The taxi driver helps me put my suitcase in the trunk. Trunk is the back storage space of a car. I sit in the back seat. We start driving to the airport. The streets are quiet. Not many cars are on the road. The sky slowly becomes pink and orange. The sun is rising. Rising means going up. It looks beautiful. After about 30 minutes, we arrive at the airport. The airport is already busy. Many people are walking with suitcases. Some look sleepy. Some look excited. I pay the driver. I take my suitcase. I walk inside. First, I need to check in. Check-in means to confirm your flight and get your boarding pass. I stand in line. There are many people in front of me. I wait patiently. Patiently means calmly without complaining. Finally, it is my turn. I give my passport to the airport staff. She smiles and prints my boarding pass. Boarding pass is the paper that allows you to enter the airplane. She puts a tag on my suitcase. The suitcase will go to the airplane separately. Next, I go through security. Security is the place where they check your bags for safety. I put my phone and wallet in a small tray. I put my backpack on the machine. I walk through the metal detector. Beep. Oh, I forgot to take off my watch. I smile. I take it off and try again. This time, no beep. Good. Now I am inside the airport. I look at the big screen. I find my flight number. Flight number is the special number for your airplane trip. It says, Gate 12. Gate means the door area where you wait before entering the airplane. I walk to Gate 12. I sit down on a chair. I look around. I hear different languages. I see families, business people, and students. Everyone is going somewhere. After some time, I hear an announcement. Passengers for Flight 308, please proceed to boarding. Boarding means getting on the airplane. That is my flight. I stand up. I show my boarding pass. The staff scans it. Beep. I walk through a long tunnel. This tunnel connects the airport to the airplane. My heart is beating a little faster. I feel excited again. I find my seat. It is next to the window. Perfect. I put my backpack under the seat. I sit down. I fasten my seatbelt. Fasten means to close or secure. The airplane slowly moves. It goes to the runway. Runway is the long road where airplanes take off. The engines become louder. The airplane moves faster and faster. Then suddenly we are in the air. We are flying. I look out the window. The buildings become smaller and smaller. The clouds look soft and white. During the flight, I read a book. I listened to music. The flight attendant brings a small snack and a drink. Flight attendant is the person who works on the airplane and helps passengers. I drink some juice. I relax. After 2 hours, the airplane begins to descend. Descend means to go down. I can see the new city from the sky. It looks big and modern. I feel curious. Curious means wanting to know more. The airplane lands safely. Everyone claps softly. We stand up and take our bags. I walk out of the airplane. I follow the signs to baggage claim. Baggage claim is the area where you collect your suitcase. I wait and watch the moving belt. Suddenly I see my suitcase. I grab it quickly. Yes, it's mine. Now I am officially in a new city. I walk outside the airport. The air smells different. The buildings look different. Everything feels new. I take a taxi to my hotel. On the way, I look out the window. I see tall buildings, busy streets, and colorful signs. I arrive at my hotel. I check in at the front desk. The receptionist gives me a room key. I take the elevator to the 5th floor. I open the door to my room. The room is clean and comfortable. There is a big bed, a desk, and a window with a city view. I put my suitcase down. I sit on the bed. I smile. I made it. Traveling alone to a new city can feel scary at first, but it also feels powerful. Powerful means strong and confident. I feel proud of myself. Tonight, I will explore the neighborhood. I will try new food. I will walk on new streets. I will create new memories. Now let me ask you, have you ever traveled to a new city? How did you feel? Excited? Nervous? Happy? Try to answer in English. Even simple sentences are good. Remember, learning English is like traveling. At first, everything feels new and difficult. But step by step, you understand more. Step by step, you become more confident. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Every small practice makes you stronger. You are improving, even if you don't notice it. I believe in you. You can do this. Never give up. Keep going. Thanks for watching.